Okay, so I needed a third video to complete this, the last two questions. So always be on the lookout to factor. So number 15, this denominator here is 4 times p minus 5. And so just kind of over here in the margin, take account of what we have in the denominators. B, right? I put B, p minus. Okay, this other denominator over here is p minus 5, p minus 3. So we take stock. Well, over here in the margin, I've got a p minus 5. Check. I've got a 4. Check. I just need this p minus 3. So that encompasses all of the denominators kind of paired up and matched together. So erasing all my check marks. When you look at the denominator we choose and what each fraction currently has, first fraction has the 4 and the p minus 5, but it doesn't have the p minus 3. So we want to multiply that by p minus 3. And 2 times p minus 3 is 2p minus 6. On this second fraction, we've got the p minus 5, got the p minus 3, we just need the 4. So that fraction needs the 4. Multiply this by, that gets me 4p minus 24. It's a plus, so we don't have to worry about parentheses. 4p minus 24. All right, so let's put all that together. And in the numerator, we have 6p minus 30. Already thinking about factoring that. Over, let's just for now put CD for the common denominator, because I don't want to rewrite all that. That's what I would normally do in class because I get lazy. Okay, so always on the lookout to factor that 6 parentheses p minus 5 over 4 parentheses p minus 5 p minus 3. P minus 5 and p minus 5 cancel. Leaves me with a 6 and a 4. I still, from back in elementary school, you still got a 6 and a 4. Those are just numbers, and those can be simplified by 2. So my final answer when I divide 6 by 2 is 3 in the numerator and 2 p minus 3 in the denominator. Don't multiply those together, just leave them as factor. Okay, last one. Number 16. I've got 2r plus 4. This is r plus 4. So let's take what we got. We've got this fraction has a 2, an r plus 4. This fraction has an r plus 4, so we're good there, and an r. So that means my common denominator is 2r times r plus 4. All right, let's see what we've got. First fraction, 2r plus 4. Check, check, missing an r. So I need to multiply this first fraction by r over r. That gets me r squared. Got a minus sign, so anything that happens over here, I want to subtract the group. But the cool thing is the only thing that the second fraction is missing is this 2. So I need to multiply this times 2. That gets me 16. Now the numerator is difference of squares. So r plus 4, r minus 4 over 2r, r plus 4. R plus 4's cancel, leaving me with r minus 4 over 2r. Numerator's binomial, denominator's monomial. You cannot cancel those pieces and parts with each other. Okay, so the assignment next, and I'm going to open it up. Do I have that assignment open? Yes. Okay, so I've got the assignment open. That's still multiplication. That's the old assignment. I don't need that. I need the new assignment. Oh, I'm going to make y'all hang out with me for a while. Okay, so homework number 2. How's this looking? Let's do the evens. And just, scratch out problem 1, 3, 5, 7, etc. Just scratch those out and use that space for your work. And then put your final answer in the box over here. All righty.